What you are looking at right now is one of the most comprehensive targeting restructures we have ever done in a client Google Ads campaign. And the reason for that is because traffic quality has been shocking
Uh,
in the last couple of days. Hey everybody, Stuart Macadam here. I work in Facebook and Google advertising. So welcome to today's video. I hope you find this very useful. Now, the way in which we picked up on this phony traffic is we installed a software called ClickCease, which you can see on the screen right now. And from there, we went and visited some of the countries in which the fake traffic was coming from. If we go back to the original screen, we can see that we have included 23 target exclusion countries where a lot of fake traffic has been coming from. For the benefit of the client, we've also excluded regions in New Zealand that we don't want to target as well. The other problem that we ran into as well is going for Auckland-wide targeting has resulted in low quality traffic coming in. So instead of going for the Auckland-wide region, we have just started identifying a list of suburbs of interest, up to 25 at a time, that we want to target that are within the Auckland region. Now, this restructure has allowed us to now start filtering low quality traffic that just has fake VPNs or fake IPs or whatever it may be within New Zealand or Auckland more specifically, and it allows us to just go after particular areas which this client wants to target. Now, the final little pointer is just remember at all times to make sure that when you are doing targeting, include only people that are in or regularly in your included locations. Once you've done that, click on that save button, and your campaign will now begin to start filtering out that low quality traffic and start targeting just those people you want to reach. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit that like button down below. And if you haven't already, go over to clickcease.com, or an alternative to that one is one called ClickGuard. Both platforms allow you to filter out the low quality traffic and see where the fake clicks are coming from so that you can address it comprehensively. Thanks so much for watching, and a big shout out to Auckland Eco Polish for allowing us to film today's video on their Google Ads account.